Hello, Northwest TV brethren. Today in this video, we will honor and thank our beloved Pastora Aurora, whose unwavering faith, compassion, and support have touched our hearts deeply. Her love and dedication have been a beacon of light, guiding and uplifting us all. Words cannot fully express the gratitude we felt for her kindness and strength. Pastor Al, thank you for being an extraordinary blessing in our lives and for showing us the true meaning of God's love. I am reminded of a powerful verse from the book of Isaiah 60 verse 22. And it says that, when the time is right, I, the Lord, will make it happen. Today, we celebrated the fulfillment of this promise. The Lord answer your prayers and grant your heart desire to be with your family and loved ones. So this presentation is for you, Pastora, my mommy. So sit back, enjoy, and this is your moment. Hi, Pastora Al. Thank you for being my mommy in this church, and thank you for the spiritual growth that you have given to me. Thank you for the prayers. With the time I needed, you are there na nag-pray sa akin. And I wish you good luck sa pag-uwi mo sa Pilipinas and continue to serve the Lord faithfully and truthfully. God bless you.
Hi, Pastora Al. Thank you for being part of my spiritual journey. Dalangin ko po na si Lord ang mag-protect and mag-bless po sa'yo. Thank you so much.
Hi, Pastora! Do know that I'm so blessed for having known you in serving with the Lord dito sa church na to. And we love you and we will miss you for sure. And yun lang po. God bless. Bye-bye.
Hi, Pastora Aurora. Good luck sa pag-uwi mo sa Pilipinas. Hope and pray na maging okay ka dun sa Pilipinas. At ito lang yung pabawang ko sa'yo na verse, 2 Corinthians 13:11. Finally, brethren, farewell. Be perfect, be of good comfort, be of one mind, live in peace, and the God of love and peace shall be with you. Good luck po. Bye-bye. God bless.
Hi, Pastora Al. Salamat sa iyong you are a good leader and a good servant of the Lord. And thank you for the parts of church. And thank you very much and your servant of the Lord for good leader in the church. And good luck to your for God in the Philippines. And bye. God bless you all always.
Hello, Pastora. Even though that you are leaving us, we know that God has planned for you, and thank you for the teachings and especially the words of God that you have shared to us. I wish you good luck in your future endeavor. We will miss you and I love you.
Nalulungkot ako kasi ito farewell na. Pero balang araw magkikita naman tayo sa Pinas. Sana all makauwi na. Alam ko marami ka ring pinagdaanan tulad ko, pero basta nasa Panginoon tayo, andun yung tibay ng loob natin sa mga pinagdaanan natin sa family. Pero in God's grace, talagang andun yung provision niya. Salamat.
Hello, Pastora. Nakakalungkot na masaya. Parating mo itong sinasabi sa amin. Pero mas pipiliin ko na masaya na makauwi ka ng Pilipinas ng maligaya at maayos. Ang parati ko lang pinapanalangin para sa iyo na sabi nga sa Kawikaan sa Proverbs 3 verse 17, her ways are ways of pleasantness and all her paths are peace. Yun po ang tanging hangad ng aking puso para sa iyo. I love you po. I love you of the love of the Lord.
Hi, Pastora!
sa lahat ng mga teaching mo, sa lahat ng mga encouragement mo, lalo na nung nagka-problema ako. Salamat sa pagtawag sa akin at pag-iyak kasama ako. Mamimiss ka namin. As in, mamimiss ka namin. We love you. Thank you so much for your effort sa simbahan.
Hi, Pastora Aurora. Alam mo na ikaw ay napamahal na sa aming mga kapatid mo kay Kristo. Alam mo naman din ang ating tungkulin dito sa lupa, kundi maglingkod sa Diyos. Sabi nga sa John 3:16, sapagkat ka na lang ang pagsinta ng Diyos na binigay niyang bugtong niya anak na Jesus upang ang sino sumampalataya sa Kanya ay hindi mapahamak, kundi magkaroon ng buhay na walang hanggan. Ganon din sa'yo, na ginagawa mo naman, nagawa mo na rin, na nawa ay makasama mo ang pamilya mo sa buhay na walang hanggan, na ikaw mismo ang gagamitin ni Lord para sa kanila. Kaya Pastora Aurora, this is my message na alam mo naman na nagkaroon din tayo ng dalawa ng bonding sa Levites as a worshiper, na kaya tayo nagkaisa ng puso. Mamimiss kita. Alam mo naman na ikaw yung aking best friend here in this church. Alam mo rin ang puso ko para sa'yo. Kaya ang tanging payo ko sa'yo, lagi mong panampalatayahan na malaki ang magagawa ng Diyos sa buhay mo at sa pamilya mo, na ikaw mismo ang gagamitin ni Lord. Kaya good luck sa new journey sa Pilipinas, at pagpalain ka ng Diyos palagi, sampu ng iyong pamilya. Love you!
Mapagpalang araw po. Lubos ko pong pinapasalamatan ng Panginoon sa buhay po ninyo, Pastora Nanay Aurora Soriano. Salamat po, at it's been an honor serving the Lord with you. And sa iyong pag-uwi, pakaingatan ka po ng ating Panginoon at taglayin mo ang kanyang masaganang pagpapala. God bless po.
Ganun talaga. May umaalis, may dumarating. Ganun talaga ang buhay. Pastor Aurora, we will miss you. Your presence, your love, your fellowship together with the Lord. Every Friday, our fellowship. At may mga banding. We will miss you a lot, definitely. We are not happy because you're going to leave us here, but we will be happy because we know that it's God's plan. There's a time for everything, sabi nga sa Ecclesiastes 3:1. And your mission here is well done. Salamat sa Lord sa buhay mo. Pagpalain ka lalo ng Panginoon sa buong pamilya mo. Next step will be your responsibility and mission sa Philippines. Sasamahan ka ng Panginoon. Kung paano tayo sinamahan dito ng Panginoon, sasamahan ka ng Panginoon sa Pilipinas. Just a word of God from Genesis 31:49, if I'm not mistaken. Ang sabi doon, the Lord watches between you and me while we are absent from another. Sa ating pagkakalayo, nasa Pilipinas ka, nandito kami, through prayers, through constant communication, through messages, andyan pa rin tayo. The Lord watches between you and us, even we are far from each other. So yun, nalulungkot kami. Nalulungkot ako. Kasi alam kong aalis kami. But what can we do? Hindi ka naman namin pwedeng pigilan. Be happy. May the Lord be with you. At let us maintain communication, caring, loving, helping one another by God's grace. We will definitely miss you, Pastor Aurora. God bless you.